Communicable disease is the spread of a disease from a human or an animal to a person. This is prevalent among the homeless community. Therefore, it is important to take the following actions to avoid contracting any disease. The following actions include washing hands thoroughly, avoiding touching your face, washing food before consuming it, wearing masks around sick people, eating healthy foods to strengthen the immune system, avoiding drug or alcohol usage as it weakens the immune system, and using gloves when coming into contact with blood or any infectious bodily fluid. There are two modes of transmission: direct transmission and indirect transmission. Direct transmission is coming into physical contact between an infected person and a susceptible person. Indirect transmission is a non-human-to-human contact. Therefore, contact occurs from a vector, droplet, reservoir, or contaminated surface and objects. For volunteer purposes, read all information on any communicable disease provided in this link below. We also have an immunization checklist that is not required but highly guaranteed for your own safety and to prevent the further spread of more diseases. Moving on to disabilities, this slide covers physical and mental disabilities. Some examples that underline physical disabilities include the inability to perform physical movements due to an amputation of a limb, muscular or neurological dysfunction, or injuries. Other physical disabilities include blindness and deafness. Some examples of mental disabilities are cognitive, emotional, mental, intellectual, or are acquired through brain injuries.